Are you searching for best waveform generators in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 most popular digital signal generators on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. FNIRSI Signal Generator. Brand name, FNIRSI. Model number, FNIRSI 1014D. Display size, 7 inches above. Trigger mode, single, normal, auto. FNIRSI 1014D is a 2-in-1 oscilloscope and signal generator launched by FNIRSI. It has comprehensive functions and high practicability. It is a cost-effective dual-channel desktop oscilloscope for the maintenance industry and RD industry. The oscilloscope has a real-time sampling rate. Built-in DDS signal generator, support 12 kinds of function signal. The built-in high-voltage protection module can tolerate up to 400 V continuous voltage, without worrying about the oscilloscope burning accident caused by the probe not moving to 10x gear. Large time-based scrolling mode, which can monitor slow-level changes, equipped with efficient one-button auto, which can display the measured waveform without tedious adjustment. Powerful waveform picture manager supports thumbnail browsing, viewing, detailed viewing, page turning, deletion and waveform zooming in, zooming out, moving, etc. Equipped with a USB interface. With the screen brightness adjustment function and background grid brightness adjustment function, also easy to carry. Number 2. Hantek Digital Oscilloscope. Brand name, Hantek. Model number, DSO2C10 2C15 2D10 2D15. Display size, 7 inches above. Display resolution, 800-480 pixels. Best feature, 2 channels. Both are respectively controlled by independent knobs. 100 MHz, 150 MHz analog channel bandwidth. 1 GS8/S real-time sample rate, 8 M memory depth, vertical range 2 MV/DI to 10 V/DI, built-in 1 CH5 MHz waveform generator, vertical resolution, 8-bit, 32 kinds of auto measurements with statistics, real-time. Statistics of maximum, minimum, standard deviation and etc. 2 sets of digital voltmeter, support threshold testing, free measurements within the screen, abundant SCPI remote command control, many external interface, USB host/device. Number 3. UNI-T Signal Generator. Brand name, UNI-T. Model number, UTG932 UTG962. Vertical resolution, 14 bits. The UTG900E series function arbitrary waveform generator uses direct digital synthesis technology to produce accurate and stable waveform output, with a resolution as low as 1 UHz. It is an economical, high-performance, and versatile function arbitrary waveform generator. It can generate accurate, stable, pure, low-distortion output signals, convenient operation, superior technical indicators and humanized graphic display. It is a multi-purpose device that meets the needs of learning and testing and improves work efficiency. Main features: output waveforms, sine, square, pulse, ramp, noise, DC, arbitrary, output frequency range 1 UHz 30 MHz/60 MHz, high accuracy, broadband 6-bit frequency, counter, range 100 MHz 100 MHz, 2 equivalent performance channels, 4.3 inches TFT LCD, multi-language menu, easy to operation. Number 4. JUNTEK Signal Generator. Brand name, JUNTEK. Model number, PSG 9000-80 MHz. PSG 9080 is the programmable function/arbitrary wave signal generator. It can output sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, pulse wave, and arbitrary wave, etc. The frequency range of the instrument is up to 80 MHz, with modulation, frequency sweep, measurement signal frequency and programming functions, etc. It can simultaneously display the output signals, amplitude, phase, duty cycle, and frequency. This series has excellent amplitude, frequency characteristics, multifunctional, high performance, cost-effective, portable and other characteristics provide new options for education, research and development, production, testing and other industries. The instrument is exquisite in appearance and equipped with a 3.5-inch high-resolution color LCD screen to bring a new visual experience. Number 5. OWON Signal Generator. Brand name, OWON. Model number, SDS1102. Digital channels, 2. OWON SDS1102 Oscilloscope. 2-channel digital oscilloscopes. 100 MHz bandwidth. 1 GS/S high accuracy oscilloscope. Best features: this is a super economical type digital storage oscilloscope. The 2-channel oscilloscope has 100 MHz bandwidth, 1 GS/S display rate, ultra-thin body, designed with 7-inch high-resolution LCD, support for SCPI, and for LabVIEW, application for electronic circuit debugging. Circuit testing, design and manufacture, education and training, automobile maintenance and testing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.